What's up, guys? It's Hardcore Stocks here. In this video, we shall be taking a good look at AMD, Advanced Micro Devices. So, Advanced Micro Devices has been down, and left to me, I still do think that we shall be diving straight into the chart first to know what I think. Now, given the situation of things, you could see first and foremost from the monthly, AMD has been roughly up for as high as roughly 4 months. It went up 200% or over 200%, and right now we could see it climbing down, because right now see it's falling down obviously. So given the situation of things right here, we could see that if I should move to the daily, we could see it clearly that first things foremost, we definitely consolidated within this range. We did actually consolidated within this range before we ended up getting that move to the downside. And with the look of things right here, I can say it for a fact that the consolidation within this range was everything we needed. So I think right now it's still going to keep on repeating itself, because obviously right here you could see that AMD is still consolidating within this range up till now. You could see whenever it comes to contact with this resistance right here between 560 all the way to 500, probably 570, 75 to 77, 78, we're most likely going to pull back. So right now you could see we're at a major support right now, which is around this level at $452. So right now, I would say there are two major scenarios that can play out right now. It's either we see the AMD rallying back to this resistance. Maybe we rally back, we find support around here at 520, then we rally much higher, breakout, we continue breaking above these resistances all the way to $607. If this doesn't play out, then I think we are most likely going to see, given the fact that we've gotten this, crazy momentum to the downside, which has obviously happened before. You could see it has kind of happened here. It has also kind of happened here. It has kind of happened here. So this is definitely something that happens whenever we hit that major resistance. So right now, I would say the best thing to do right now is to sit on your hands and wait for a major breakout. If we're not breaking out of this resistance right here, we are definitely going to be breaking support. And once we break support, we retest this level, we are most likely going to be dumping much lower to meet the 200 daily EMA at $337 to $40. So I think this is definitely what we should be expecting from AMD. Now, given the situation of what's going on right now, we could see that the Core Scientific Inc., which is Cox, nope, I don't think this is definitely what I'm looking for. Even though that was, related to AMD, we could see it clearly right here that AMD's Core Scientific deal hints at AI's next raise, which we could see it clearly right here that I need to take this away from here. AMD secured 500 megawatts of AI data center capacity in a partnership with Core Scientific, which was announced Tuesday. Obviously, that was definitely what that previous headline was all about, but I didn't just want to cover it because I didn't like just reading through people's quarter earnings and all. So we could see right here the deal starts next year and can expand to 2.5 gigawatts, I guess. And given the situation of things right here, we could see AMD designs high performance CPUs and GPUs and AI chips for data centers, cloud providers, and enterprises. Core Scientific operates large scale data centers and has pivoted from Bitcoin mining to AI colocation, where it now gets 77% of revenue. The agreement is valued at more than $14 billion in potential contracted revenue for Core Scientific. Under the terms, AMD will get access to power, land, and infrastructure to deploy its Instinct GPUs, EPYC CPUs, and ROCm software. The companies will also collaborate on physical design on the facilities. As part of the deal, AMD will receive market price warrants to buy Core Scientific stock subject to certain conditions. Core Scientific CEO Adam Sullivan said the company's execution record position is to support AMD's technology roadmap. AMD executive Matthew Hayne said trusted infrastructure partners are critical as AI deployments accelerate, which is true. Shares reacted in opposite direction. Core Scientific jumped 11.2% in pre-market trading, while AMD fell 4.7% amid broader chip weakness. For investors, the deal highlights a shift in AI spending from chips alone to power and infrastructure. Investors will watch if AMD can fill the capacity before 2027. And I have definitely given the technical analysis I have to say. We obviously need to be on the watch out for AMD not to break below 450 dollars, because once we break below this level and we end up retesting, we could end up dropping all the way down here at $340. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe, turn on post notification, smash that like button and share this video with your friends, guys. Peace out.